Hey there, this is Neil Napier, the Stoic Entrepreneur, and in this video, I'm going to give you a 30-minute run-through of AI sellers. Now, if you're not aware, we do these 30-minute run-throughs of different software products just to show you how far you can get within 30 minutes from getting access to a product. The goal here is to help you understand whether or not something is going to be difficult to use technically, or is it something you can use out of the box. So today I'm reviewing AI sellers. And again, my goal is to see how far I can get for my own business within 30 minutes with this tool. If you like videos like these, leave a comment below, give us a like so we know that we can continue to create more of these for you. Now, just so you know, I haven't actually logged into AI sellers until now. So some of the things I'll be seeing over here, showcasing you, are things I've never seen before, but my goal is to understand how this works and show you at the same time and show you how far you can get with it within half an hour. Now, a quick thing I want to tell you, if you're an affiliate marketer or you sell your own products, this is going to be perfect for you because you can use it to instantly generate full campaigns. I'm talking about page copies, videos, emails, and bonuses from any affiliate link. You can use it to create AI bridge pages. You can use it, if you have your own products, you can use it to create ebooks, flipbooks, and lead magnets within minutes. So it's quite a complete, wholesome tool as well. Now, if you happen to be an agency owner where you want to help other people, by creating assets for them, you can do everything I've talked about, but you can also help drive bookings via chatbots with built-in SMS and email automations as well. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start with basically using this as a product owner, and then I'll talk about how you can use this as well as an affiliate marketer, or as, let's say in this case, an agency owner. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start a 30-minute timer. Again, the goal is to see how far we can go with this. Let's go. So right when you land in here, you can see some training, so you can watch a demo video to understand how this works. I haven't actually seen the demo video. I should watch it because I think it'll be useful. But again, I just want to see how far I can get with this without having to go through any tutorials. So let's create a new project. In this case, you can build what is known as a knowledge brain. And I know by the concept of knowledge brain, basically that means that you can talk about your product or service with it, and it can learn about what it is you do. So I'm going to build a knowledge brain for, let's say in this case, Melvio. So I'm going to type in melvio.com, and I want it to understand basically everything it can about my business using melvio.com. And then I can also upload some media or video files. Just give me 1 second, and I can see if I have some media files in my computer. Again, you can get further with this if you are better prepared in terms of all assets. So just give me 1 second, and I'll try and find a video that I had recently used. 1 second. Service. Yeah, I think this might be useful. So I can't actually upload any video here. Oh, I can upload video here. So let's go ahead and do this right now. I'm going to, yes, transcribe this video, US English. It's actually more like UK English. But we'll go for US English for now. That's okay. Create. And it's uploading the video and transcribing it for me as well. This was done last year. Let me just see if I have any other documents here that I can use to add more details. So the video is uploaded. It's transcribing it at the moment, but I can also view it here if I wanted to. So that's fine as well, but I don't really care for it right now, so that's fine. Let's go for something else. We have this three-wave sending thing that we had done before internally. Let's go to write, three-wave sending. Done, create, okay. And then let me find a couple more. There's an email deliverability course that we're working on. So at the moment, my goal is to just, feed it as much information as I can, so that way we can see what it can actually do afterwards. Okay, and then this is another one. Done. So there you go. Those are my 3 documents. I can import the URL which I've done I can upload some media too, and of course the video file went in there, which it is transcribing at the moment, so it might take some time when it gets done. And then there's this asset feature with which you can create assets. We'll come to this in just a second, but I want to make sure this is all going in, so this is fine. Let's go ahead then and create the assets. So this is me feeding information into the AI. So if you're working with a client, for example, you can just dump all the stuff in there. If you're promoting someone else's product, what I would advise you to do is, put their product URL in there, maybe some information about the audience that you're promoting to so it can customize the content then. But let's go into assets. And now I can create videos, landing pages, books, opt-in pages, blog articles, ads, social media graphics, email, SMS, WhatsApp, and bots. So this is really good. Let me go ahead and create an ad if I can. So the three-wave sending model that I uploaded earlier is kind of a new thing. So let's just say three-wave model. And I'm going to just go with these two for now. And let's see if it can create ads. So the three-wave model, it says generating. Let's see what it actually does. Once it brings up something, I have no idea what it's going to do. You can make bots as well. So let's just create a bot campaign. So this is Melvio bot. I don't know if I have a logo. Give me 1 second. I can check. Or I can also just Google it. Sometimes Google can find our logo better than I can. Give me 1 second. Okay. Bot image could be Melvio logo. And brand color is not that. Give me 1 second and I'll grab the brand color as well. Okay, the brand color is, oh, that's a bit annoying. I can't seem to paste. Okay, but no worries. There I can. Okay, this is done. Enable Telegram bot. So that means you can have the bot basically sit inside Telegram as well, which is a app where you can kind of communicate with people. So let's go to ads and let's see what it's done so far. It's generating an ad for me. Let's go ahead and see if I can view it better or I can edit it. Let's go ahead and edit this. Are you sitting on a gold mine of dead leads? Don't let your hard-earned email list go to waste. Our proven system is designed to revive those dormant. I love it. Like I'll say this, I really, really love it. So let's go look at the ad description. So revive your dead leads and unlock hidden revenue. And this is perfect. Like this is a really good ad, I'll say. It's pretty much on point. And you saw like how far are we in right now? Let me see. It took me about 6 minutes to create this. Let's go into bots. It's active, so let's go ahead and see if I can use this bot or how I can use it. I don't know right now. Edit. Okay. So I'm going to just check out this bot and I'll just check a few things as well. This is how you can put the bot basically on any page that you want. This is done. This is bot preview. Okay. Let's go and update. Make sure it does load up. Okay. So it is possible that, I have to actually put it on a page to be able to use it. I'll circle back to this and see how I can do that. But let's go back into projects now. So I want to review kind of the steps where we were just a few minutes ago. This is our campaign name. I kind of want to change the campaign name as well. Let's see if I can change it here. Melvio. Okay. And by the way, this is a really useful resource as well, especially once I can get the bot working. I can upload all our documents here. And then I can even give it to our customers and say, hey, use this before you log a ticket. So that, saves me a ton of time. Let's go ahead and we're going to go into, again, asset mode. Asset creation mode. Okay. Videos. Let's do a video. Let's do a video right now. So we'll say Melvio marketing video. Let's see, standard YouTube video, style engaging, informative. Let's say in this case I want, and text to custom video, talking head, image to video, or text to movie scene. This is all really good for me though. One of these two makes more sense. So I'll go for text to custom video because that's typically what our customers are used to seeing. So we're targeting, say, parents between the age of 41 to 60. Video idea overview. Okay, let me just see if I can I can put something in here. So I want to create a video where I showcase everything that Melvio can do. So it's almost like a promotional video, but with a bit of education built in. And the idea is that people should be able to watch it and understand what they can do with Melvio and their email list. Perfect. The voice to text always butchers Melvio, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and click next. Video ideas. So it uses AI engine, I presume, in the background to actually create the video ideas for us. Revitalize your email campaigns in Melvio's proven tactics. From dormant to dynamic, Melvio's lead revival system. Revive your inactive contacts. Email revenue. This is good. Re-engage your dead leads. This is good. Next. So pick 4 ideas basically. And let's see what else it needs from me. Okay, this is a bit odd. Let's go next again. So strangely enough, I can't seem to do anything here right now. But let's just go to each step again. Advice says in Mail Viewer. Obvious voice to text butchering. So I can't seem to delete these ideas either. And I can't see the previous ideas. Okay, just clicking load more is going to generate new ideas for me if I want. There you go. New ideas generated successfully. But I want to be able to get rid of this, and at least I'm stuck here. So this is not good. We'll go back and try again with a different thing. Okay, so it says finish successfully. Let me just see what it actually did. Okay, let me try one more campaign, and this time I'll just do one video, okay? Melvio education. See, this is the kind of stuff I want to show you so you can see as well yourself, what you might get stuck with when you get to it. I want to create a promotional video talking about Melvio's features. Okay, let's go next, and this time I'll just pick one idea. That way, maybe that's something I was getting stuck at. But again, this is something the team needs to know, and I'll pass this feedback to them as well. Yeah, not good. Not good. I got stuck in here. Let me just take a screenshot of this right now, and because nothing works. Let me just pass it to them. Okay, where are we now? We're about 12 minutes in, so got stuck in making videos, but we'll come back to this. Landing pages, books. Let's do a book, actually. Book's a good idea for something like this. Let's say Melvio, education, create. Okay, choose book templates. I'll pick something that is more business focused if I can find it. Let's go for this. Create. Oh, weird. Your knowledge brain is long. Delete some data. Again, I wish they had given some insights into this beforehand, but okay. That's kind of useless. Let's go and see if the video file is the one that's taking up space. It would be nice if you could actually archive this for now. But let me just delete this and see if that helps at all. Oh, by the way, when you do videos, I don't think it's taking your core video and then creating more videos out of it. It's just creating AI-based videos. Okay, so let's see, Melvio book. I'll go create, and I'll just choose this one now just to speed things up. Again, knowledge base is too long. Okay, I don't want to try and delete more stuff just yet. Let me come back to it in a little bit. I'll do opt-in page copy, and this is a Melvio freebie. Create. Okay, it's generating. I'll circle back to this. Blog articles, we didn't do one, but let's go ahead and create Melvio. Let's say 3-wave sending. I want to see what kind of blog article it can write based on our scripts. And again, it's like generating. So let's go back to opt-in pages. Generated. Let's go ahead and edit this. I can preview as well. Let's preview. This model's maximum freaking hell. Okay. I'm going to go back to this. This one, opt-in page. Let's see if I can edit this. So I think this is the page 49. Add your domain. We're not going to do that yet, but that means you can basically connect it with your domain as well. Page style. You can customize this further. Header section. Okay. I wish they would promote this with AI. So let's see. I'm just going to see what it does. Check out Melvio. Yeah. Again, this to me is a bit silly that they're not using AI for this stuff. I'm going to have them basically work on it so that, the headline and the description and this stuff should be done by AI. Like, that is the whole point of this. That you can kind of generate content for the page via AI. But I'll have a quick chat with them and see what they can do about it. But that'd be good. If not, look, there's always ChatGPT. You just have to feed in some information and just say, hey, look, like I'm trying to create this freebie. And I think it's, again, I would like them to sort of come with freebie ideas, but really they've just taken my campaign name and turned that into join us for the live reveal of Melvio freebie. I think it could be better, to be honest with you. But that's okay. At least there's mechanisms to get traffic to my social media. So that's good. But let me just think. So there's the opt-in page. Oh, that's nice. So I can actually edit the opt-in page as I want as well. This is fantastic. So they've got the full editor behind it. This way you can optimize and improve the opt-in page as you see fit. Just wondering about the opt-in form. Give me 1 second. Like, how is the form done? Because that is something that will come up often. So there's integrations, components, link box, social media stack. I'm trying to find. It's the blog. So it's like a full page setup, basically. This is where you can drag and drop content, right? So you can kind of make it as you see fit, which is fantastic. I mean, it's a page builder, so you don't need to rely on Go high level and all those things if you don't want to. So that's fine. It's a full landing page essentially. Social media bar, stack. I don't know what stack means, but okay. Link box. Okay. All right, so they've got all these different things. Let me go back to this on the top. Typography, so you can change fonts here. You can change link colors and spacing and all those things. So this is good. I think it's good. This is not good. Failing to say project is not good, but let's go back to this. Just leave the site for now. Let's refresh. Yep. Yeah, so I'm just going to change it myself. Melvio is an amazing email marketing platform. Human marketing, what the hell? That was funny. Do not miss out on Melvio. I'm having a lot of fun with this. Okay. Next up, just say something along the lines of check out this page. Check out this page. Okay, let's try again. Let's preview. Okay, so it does work. That is fine. This is all good. I mean, you can change it as much as you want. But again, my point still was that it doesn't quite allow the kind of AI-based page building that I thought it would. So that is an issue to me, and I'll pass it to them. Let's go back to a few things that we're looking at. Books, again, we were stuck there. We'll come back to books. Blog post, let's look at this one. Edit. Okay, there you go. Reviving your dead leading. Okay. Okay, in the world of digital marketing, your email list is one of your more valuable assets, blah, 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 blog article. Honestly, this looks pretty good. Like, let me just check something. So this is about 793 words long. Okay, that's fine. All right, so I've just heard from the team, by the way. So yeah, to me, the blog post is good. I've just heard from the team to try the video thing again, so I'm going to do it again. Give me 1 second. Where was this? Videos. Okay, let's go back into this. The first one, I think it was you were working with. Next. No mas. Okay, I'm going to log out and log back in. Let's go into view all projects. Edit. Let's try video again, I think it was. Yep. Edit. Next. Nope. All right, so that didn't work. Let me go back and try to, I'm just going to make a new video. Maybe this one works from scratch, like if they have fixed something. I'm a bit tired now, so I'm just going to put that information in. Simple. I want to see how far I can get. Let's just go with this. I like the titles that they come up with. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to leave this now. Let's circle back. Let me see how long we have left. We've got about 10 minutes left, which is fine. Books, we'll circle back still. Emails, yeah, I mean, pretty straightforward. You can do emails as well. I'm going to skip this one for now. SMS WhatsApp campaign. I want to see this. So I want to create a WhatsApp campaign to get people to log back into Melvio if they have not logged in for a while. Okay, 1 second. Create. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, generated. Let's go back in and edit. Hey, have you logged into Melvio to revive your old account and boost revenue? That's the SMS. WhatsApp's a bit more. That's good. That's pretty good. I mean, it's nothing groundbreaking, I'll say, but it's pretty good. I'll circle back to bots as well to see what's up with that, because I do want to see bots. 1 second. Okay, I've asked about the bots, like can they be viewed or do they need to be embedded? Let's circle back to this. Now I want to go back to the books and I want to delete some stuff from the knowledge brain because it just kept saying like you have too many things in there. So I'm going to delete this. Delete this. Okay, now let's go into assets and I'll try books again. Create books. Revive, delete. Create. I'll just do this one. Okay, that worked. I'm not sure why it doesn't take in multiple assets. And the problem is now, of course, I've deleted those assets. I have to go back in and add them again. So I don't think this is quite effective, but I do want to see what it does. While it's doing its thing, we still have, I think, 8 minutes left, 7 minutes. I'm going to go into schedule. So once you do create your content, basically, you can schedule posts from here as well, which is really, really handy. And if you want to integrate, you can integrate with Facebook, YouTube, 11 Labs directly as well. And you also responded to the Have Melvio. Oh, you can just put your opt-in code. Oh, so this is how you collect the leads, by the way. Okay, there we go. So to collect leads, you simply put your name and then you put in the opt-in code, and that's where the leads will go. It's good, but I think again there the problem is that you're gonna have to use the same form for all day campaigns. I'll discuss this with them. I'll bring it up, but something to pay attention to. But you can post content to Facebook, YouTube, but they also have Sonority. And if you don't know Sonority, I want to show you what that is. Sonority Real by the Real team. Sonority turns your... Okay, let me just read here. Sonority turns your text into high quality human sounding voiceover. So the point is you can also connect with these, and for your videos you can bring these voiceovers. So yeah. Give me 1 second. Okay, so then again the content can be posted to social media. So look, I'll say this. To me, I want to tell you this honestly. To me, it's a good software by a reputable team. Like, this is a team that I know that I could trust my business on. So I trust Abhi, I trust these guys. They've got some really good real products. Real, REEL. But obviously, we're about 25 minutes into this right now. And there are some things that are left to be desired, let's just say. I mean, there are some things I feel that could be better. I want to go back and look at the book, by the way. So actually, before I conclude this, let me go look at the book. It's still generating. Yeah. So to me, stuff like giving warning for the book, we have to delete stuff, for example, to be able to use it. Or for the ads was really good. I thought the blog article was really good. The opt-in page, again, the AI should create the copy. Landing page, I'm sure it's going to be same as the opt-in page. We'll check in a minute. Videos, we kind of got stuck, and that's where they're looking at it as well. SMS, WhatsApp is okay. Bots, again, it does work, but maybe let me just try this on a different screen and see if it's a screen. Oh, yep. It's a screen thing. Crap. There we go. Okay. So there we go. That's the chat box. Okay. This is how it works. So let me just type in everything. Neil at KV Social, and how can I revive dead leads? Okay, let's see what it says. Start conversation. Reviving dead leads can be challenging, but it's not impossible. There are some strategies. Okay, good. This was, of course, a very particular question. I want to see what it says about that. So we had previously uploaded assets about three-way sending. Okay, there it does that. Okay, let me ask another one. So active campaign and Aviva are competitors. So it is looking at that information as well. It's basically coming up with this. Okay, let me ask another one. How can I make an omelette? Okay, so personally, I don't think it should do this, and I will give this feedback to the team as well. Because I don't want someone coming to my chatbot and learning about my competitors or talking about what the others can do. It should be only focused on the knowledge that we provide to it, and very specific environment, very specific bubble around it. So I think this kind of knowledge, this bot kind of misses the mark, really, in my opinion. It's more like a bot that you just brand as your own, but then anyone can come in and talk about anything with it. So I think it's kind of missing a trick here. We'll still circle back to videos. Let me just see if there's any update on the books. Okay, let's check this out. This is done. Preview as a PDF. I'm going to check this out. There you go. Image. Mastering Intentional Living, Your Guide to Clarity and Purpose. Okay, weird. Mastering Intentional Living, Your Guide to Clarity and Purpose. Let's talk about... This is all right. Like, table of contents is all perfect as I expect it to be. This is their logo, of course, because we hadn't used our own. I think I could use some more headings here, to be honest, but this is a really, really good start. I can always come in there and edit this, and then I can change it right over here. Like this is like a lengthy blog post, for example, and you can change it right over here. You can change the image here, like I showed you, and these are based on chapters, so I can just go in here and change specific chapters. Like I didn't see a chapter heading, but it doesn't stop you from adding one. So let's say this could be so if you do this now, let's go in here and check it out. I think it's towards the end that we should see this. There you go, protecting email reputation. And again, I can swap this out for our logo. Think I can upload this one. I'm gonna edit image and put in my own. Oh, so that just goes like there because it's a small image. There you go. There you go. It's all blown up. So I'm gonna try and delete this. This is a bit awkward. Like I would have expected that I could delete that image, but maybe again I'm like missing something very, very obvious. Of course I can delete this layer, so that's fine. Let me just see if I can. Okay, time's up. So I mean, look, we got really far in 30 minutes, I think. So we were able to, let's go back and do a quick review. We were able to create books that we tried to book. We were able to do the opt-in page. Think it's missing a couple of things. We were able to do blog articles, ads. They were really good. We didn't try social media or emails, but we can do SMS and WhatsApp messages and even a bot as well, though I think bot leaves something to be desired. So all in all, again, this is something I was telling you about earlier. I think these guys are incredible. I think the work they do is incredible. So I would trust to build on them. I would trust to build on AI, on this tool, on basically AI sellers. So I would advise you to get this. There's always money back guarantee. For some reason, it doesn't work out for you, but I'm quite confident this is good. So let me do one more thing. Let's go back to videos. I want to try this one last time just to see if it works. Okay, we're gonna do a hard refresh if it works. Sometimes it's a cache thing. I'm gonna try a different screen as well to see if it's a screen thing. Give me just 1 second. Okay, just so you can see here, it's kind of like doing its thing right now. And again, because I took 4 ideas, it takes a little bit longer, understandably so, because it has to create meta data for each. Okay, there you go. This is working. So just a hard refresh did the trick. I mean, it usually does the trick. So this is good. I'm just going to go click next. And this is like for all the videos, as you saw, they're like 4 videos. So this is for all the videos one by one. I just want to show you one example. So really, I should have started with that. But once it's done, then, we can wrap this up as well. So it took a little bit longer than 30 minutes, but only because while I was doing this, the team was in the background fixing things. So this is, again, what I want to tell you, that the team is good in that if they feel that something doesn't work as it should, they always go back and fix it and improve it for you, which I think is an incredible thing. You don't often find that with other companies, other teams. Let me go in and actually do one of these where it's only one video idea, so it's faster. Let's go next. Okay, that's the metadata, so some description about it. Let's see, generate a script. Okay, so the script is there as well. Oh, now it's gone back to the campaign with 4 videos again. For some reason, I think it just switched campaign, but it's okay. Once I'm happy with it, let's click next. I'm going to do another hard refresh because I don't like that gray button that we just saw. Okay, back to 1. So let's go next. Again, it's because I'm running 2 campaigns in the same window at the same time. So not advisable on the best of days. So let's go next. We'll wait for the scripts and we'll show you the rest of the steps as well. Okay, script is there. I like this script actually. I really like this script. I want to ask them how they're doing these scripts because honestly, it's as good as like what a junior copywriter would write. And this is just like with a few steps. So let's do next. Okay, so you can publish on YouTube. You can publish on Facebook as well once you connect it. So that's fine. Let's go next. Thumbnail generation and then final video creation. Thumbnail, you can change it. I'm just going to go with this for now. You can edit current thumbnail as well, by the way, so that's fine. You can actually like kind of design stuff here, which is pretty cool. I think they're giving you a built-in designer, but I'm just going to go with it just to speed things up. Select image type in Voiceover, so AI image if you want. Or you have to connect your 11 Labs account, which makes sense. You can clone your own voice that way. Or just stock image. Like I'll just use stock image in that case, create video. And it's going to make this video. So it's going to take, of course, some time before the video is done. And I do want to wrap this up. But again, this is my 2 thumbs up, even though as you saw me, I faced some challenges. But honestly, the challenges I faced today were far fewer than what I do with other tools. And then the best part was that I was able to jump on Skype or Teams with this team and get them to basically fix it. And all they did was they did some rejigging in the back end and told me to hard refresh. And then it worked. So this is how easy it is to use. And this is why I highly recommend AI sellers. Let me just play this for you.
Hey there, I know you've spent a lot of money building your email list. But after a few months, most of those contacts stop opening your emails. Your open rates drop, clicks vanish, and soon, your email reputation suffers. What if I told you this old, forgotten, unengaged list still has a lot?
Oh, I love it. I will say I love it. So I'm going to render it. I'm actually going to post it on my YouTube channel as well. And if you're interested, you can see in a couple of days what this outcome looks like. Like, do I get any traffic on that? Does it get any views? I'm pretty sure it will. So yeah, 2 thumbs up. Love it. Even with the challenges, I think the team's very robust. So you are in good hands with this. Go ahead, get AI sellers with a link underneath this video. And we'll have some bonuses too. We'll talk about that in our email. So make sure you are on our email list too. If you're not, comment below and we can make sure to add you there as well. Thanks a lot.